So can you clean TOMS canvas shoes in the washing machine? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. So these are my TOMS canvas shoes. Got to make sure that they are the canvas ones before you do this. We're going to take the insoles out first. If those get dirty, you can just sort of wipe them down, but most of the dirt's probably going to be the outside of the shoe. Let's rinse off the big chunks first. You can see there's still a bit on there, but we got rid of the big stuff. Now we're going to put them inside of either a pillowcase or a tote bag, anything so they're not bouncing around too much in the washing machine. It's okay if they pop out, they usually do, but just keeps them contained a bit. Now we're going to go ahead and put those inside of our washing machine. I like to wash them separately, and then we can adjust to whatever cycle we want. You can do delicates. I will sometimes do just a normal cycle, depends on what you want to run. You can change it to the cold temperature of your water there. I'm going to go ahead and set it over there to my normal cycle. And let's go ahead and run that. Now, after the cycle's done, I like to stuff some paper towels in there to help dry them out, help keep the form of the shoe intact on there. And then we're just gonna put them in a warm place. I put them on top of the dryer where there's a little residual warmth, let them dry out, and they'll be good to go.